Here I am back at Herod Oriental on a Saturday taking a look at rugs, and I saw some customers looking at this, and this was being flipped through. I asked Zia if he'd pull this for me because I like this. This is a Bijar. Bijar, they're Kurdish rugs. They're from the western area of Iran, and they're one of the most durable rugs. The construction makes them perhaps. These have a reputation as the iron rug of Persia. Of all the Persian rugs today, now the Bijars are continually popular. The most popular at auction are the ones 1880, 1890, 1900 into the first part of the 20th century. And they pull extremely high prices. And then we have the new Bijars, which can tend to be some of the most expensive of the new Persian rugs. They're extremely thick, durable, and they're also very, very expensive. In the middle are these, the older but not quite antique Persian Bijars. And this is a particularly nice example of the type. This rug is a transitional design. Here in the border we see this, and this is derivative of the Herati design we see in the antique borders. But as we move around the rug, we can see that that design has morphed to the point where it's no longer recognizable. It's decorative, it's attractive, but it's not what we would have expected in the 1890s version. Now, Bijar rugs are made with a two-level construction. We only see half of the knots. The knot loops around two warps. We see one of them, and the question is, how do you know that the other knot node is tucked somewhere up inside the rug? And here we see three color, three of these light red, 1, 2, 3. This is important because if a knot has two nodes where it loops around the warp, and we see 3, that means that we're seeing a two-level construction, that half of it is tucked up inside, because we could never have an odd number. Now here we see curling on the edge. This is rolling over so that along the edge it folds back underneath. And oftentimes people will ask me, why are there strips sewn along the side of leather or vinyl to keep it straight? Well, this is why, because we're in a wholesale warehouse. Oftentimes when a rug like this is being prepared to sell, the dealer would sew strips along the side, and that would correct this problem. Now, why does this rug do this is a question. One of the things is that Persian rugs tend to be tightly knotted, extremely well made, but sometimes shrinkage over time, it pulls the sides in tight and causes this to curl. It should be fixed, or else it could it's not good for the rug long term, but it's an easy, simple fix. If you find any of your rugs curling, then you may want to take it to a dealer or a repair person and have the strips sewn in along the side to keep it flat.